Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Netflix video not playing on Netflix app. So there is a lot of reasons that may cause that, but first of all, let's check if the Netflix is using the internet or not, because the internet may be a cause for this. Of course, first thing, you should be sure that your Wi-Fi or your cellular data is working so you can play videos on Netflix. And after that, go to cellular and scroll down a little bit, and after that click on show all and look for Netflix, and be sure that here you are choosing WLAN and cellular data, because if it's off, so the internet is not working on your app, and if it's just WLAN, that means your Netflix can work only with Wi-Fi. So you have to choose them both. And after that, you should go to the Netflix app, open it and go to My Netflix. After that, click on the three lines on the top right of the screen. And after that, click on App Settings. And here, the first option, it should be on automatic. If all those settings are good, are right, and the video is still not working, you have just now to go and try to delete the Netflix app like that, long press on it, and after that click on remove app and delete it from your phone, and after that install the app again, and normally like that the videos will start playing again on your Netflix app. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.